सॉरी,
ते डिलीट करू.
ये डिलीट, ऑफ कोर्स डिलीट.
ईशा जी, आप आज गायत्री एआई में आए हो, इनॉग्रेशन हुआ है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कांग्रेचुलेशन सर फॉर यू for this wonderful thing, and Isha ji is here, a big celebrity of here. What would you like to say about Gayatri AI?
मैं अमित कदम, ये मेरे काफ़ी सालों से दोस्त रह चुके हैं. और ये जो एआई जो टेक्नोलॉजी है, ये बहुत नई टेक्नोलॉजी है, लेकिन मैंने इसको खुद आजमाया है. और ये अमित का एक सपना था कि एक दिन इनको एक क्लिनिक स्टार्ट करना था. एंड थैंक्स टू पाटिल जी की उन्होंने त्रिपाठी जी इन्होंने ये इनके साथ स्टार्ट किया है. त्रिपाठी जी, थैंक यू सो मच. आई कैन अश्योर यू दैट अमित इज एन एक्सट्रीमली हार्ड वर्किंग एंड एक्सट्रीमली diligent, sincere, trustworthy boy, and I can give you full 100% guarantee. तो मेरी शुभकामनाएं हैं गायत्री एआई को और इस वेंचर को. मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि कोई भी चीज़ दैट कैन हेल्प एंड सर्व मैनकाइंड, जो हमारे हेल्थ को रिस्टोर कर सकती है, हमको स्ट्रेंथ वाइटालिटी, हमारे इम्यून को अच्छा कर सकती है, ऐसी चीज़ें आनी चाहिए टू हेल्प पीपल एंड टू सर्व मैनकाइंड. सो ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट. एंड मैं ज़रूर आऊँगी मेरे कोई भी ट्रीटमेंट के लिए. गॉड ब्लेस यू. गॉड ब्लेस.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
What is your opinion about the emerging therapies and devices?
There are a lot of therapies and a lot of devices that have been introduced. Um,
QI coil is very
you mean here or you mean generally?
Yeah.
Here. Yeah, so there is one coil that QI coil that I saw, and it is, I think, got to do with electromagnetic field, which we have studied in our physics and chemistry. So since I'm a science student, मेरे को थोड़ी समझ है, which has it works like a magnet, and apparently it heals you from all the toxicities in your body and cures a lot of deadly diseases. Now that only Sir will be able to tell you because he is the maestro in this. So Sir, आप बताइए.
QI coil is actually, as Saji told, it creates the electromagnetic field of positive frequencies in a particular area on 360 degree. Like the coils which we have, it has the maximum capacity of 55 feet dia globe. If you see the globe in the map, it is around 8 inches dia globe. So 55 feet dia globe, the 4 coils here, 4 coils there, 8 coils. The whosoever is that in that field will get rehabilitated because it is having tens of thousands of positive frequencies within that field. So totally non-invasive, no medicine. You can just sleep, you can sit down, you can continue to work on a laptop, you can continue to speak on your mobile. Just be in that field for 1 hour and 28 days, and your body gets rehabilitated on any kind of health problem. This is really very unique, very revolutionary. The manufacturing is in America. The company is owned by a Canadian, though it is a Canadian company, but manufacturing in America. And Gayatri AI is the exclusive right from QI Coil Technology America. This is really mind-boggling.
So what do you have to say about this? Today you have been a part of this Gayatri AI, the main pillar behind it. What would you like to say about this?
I'd like to say that 3 साल से हम लोग ये कर रहे हैं, चेतन और मैं इसमें, तो त्रिपाठी जी का साथ मिल गया हमको इसके अंदर, और we are rocking right now.
You will rock, seriously.
Super, surely.
You have also tried some machine over there. So what do you have to say about that machine?
Well, that was just detecting the imbalances in my body, and I don't want to discuss about the imbalances in my body. so I don't know. I yet have to see the result, but it just kind of gives you an outline of what could probably be a problem. But Sir said कि इतना कुछ problem नहीं है. थोड़ी बहुत चेंजेस, इन्फ्लेमेशन हमारे डे टू डे लाइफ की वजह से और लाइफस्टाइल की वजह से तो होती रहती है, ऊपर नीचे होता ही रहता है. but it's nice when you come there and within about 10-15 minutes you can detect if there are any issues in your body, and then those issues are addressed. And then of course you have to balance that and manage that along with a good lifestyle. ये नहीं कि यहाँ आया ट्रीटमेंट आपने लिया और घर गए और फिर कुछ भी खाया पिया वर्कआउट नहीं किया, ऐसे नहीं चलता.
Absolutely
Right?
right.
So
Absolutely
you
right.
have to balance that with a good lifestyle.
And she is a pretty girl, but I assure that she will need to be more beautiful.
Yeah,
And-
मतलब ये करने के बाद मैं और खूबसूरत हो जाऊंगी तो
Plasma
आपको
heal,
प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी.
plasma heal is a device which will make her so beautiful that even Shahrukh Khan will tell that I want to do all the picture only with this.
So she's around.
आपके मुंह में की शक्ल.
So she's around her own only. She's very pretty already.
Even now also she is very good.
Yeah.
That's why I told she is pretty, but plasma heal will make her more beautiful so that all the actors will only ask Isa, Isa, Isa.
I'm there.
All the people ask, let's go for Gayatri AI, Gayatri AI, Gayatri AI.
Yes, thank you.
Thank
That-
you. God
Thank you.
bless.